Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Tuesday, March 8th. I want to look at American Semiconductor here, and this is why. This stock is just coming out of a volatility squeeze, and all systems are go as far as this being a reversal. Now, they've got a really high short interest. It's going to take the bears a long time to cover here, and the reason the stock is up today is that, at least this is what it's given, the reason given is that they've got a new strategic relationship with BASF to basically, build a lower cost superconductor wire. And now I've told you everything you need to know, frankly. The bottom line is this. This stock, again, it's a short squeeze. Love these things. This has been in a downtrend for quite a while, and then we got a series of higher lows. And look at the 50-day moving average. That's the red line. So this 50-day moving average has been drifting sideways finally, and now it's moving up, and this last pullback found support at the 50-day moving average. So what are you going to do with this now? First of all, this was one of these, we've got a trading forum. I call it my little trading desk with a whole boatload of traders on there, and one of our members spotted this today. We've got others, we get them all day long. So if you haven't been a member of Stock Market Mentor, haven't looked, and even if you are and you haven't looked in the forum, I'm telling you, you get some great trading ideas in there. So I want to urge you, if you're not a member, check it out. The first 30 days on me, so that's like a total riskless trade. And in this volatile market, I'll take any riskless trade I can get. Who knows? You may even make money. My bet is you will. But anyway, that's an aside. Bottom line is the stock's moving up. It's been moving up. I think, everything kind of gets factored in. Big, huge volume for this stock, 1/3 of a million shares. So this is what you want to do. Zoom out and see that this thing used to be a heck of a lot higher. So it's gotten absolutely crushed, like to a point where it had to do a 1 for 10 stock split. So this thing would be a penny stock as opposed to a single dollar stock. What you got to do here is look at this in the long run, because short term, I'm telling you, you're risking a pullback to buy right here. It's up over 10%. Just since this breakout from this last one here, it's up 25%. But here's what I would suggest you do, because it is a short squeeze and sometimes these things can keep going. Take a small position such that if the stock pulls back, you're more than happy to buy some more, because this has, like I said, it's made the turn. This isn't like a one-day wonder here to where you're afraid of getting, faked into the stock and then shaken out. This has been going for a while, so it's really just a function of risk management. And then one thing that you can do is convert that 50-day moving average to an 8-day moving average. You can even make it exponential if you want. And then you use this as the reference for your original position. As long as the stock stays above it, you're in. If the stock starts falling below it, then be happy that you didn't buy more. The bottom line is this. I think this stock is going higher, but I highly doubt that it's going to be in a straight line. So you make your trade by taking a small position, a starter position, just to get you in. And then if the stock goes up to $10, aren't you glad you bought some at $8.69? So anyway, that's it for this stock, American Superconductor. Members, over to the strategy session. I'm looking at some consumer staples. We're going to check in and see what the gold stocks are doing now, as well as some other trades that are totally working. So once again, if you're not a member, seriously, I'm asking you to become a member today, or if not today, tomorrow. It's 30 days on me, no charge to you, no risk to you. You better be careful, because you might wind up learning something and making some money.